terasa diri tercampakkan. Di mana berakhirnya nanti permainan sandiwaramu, kasih sesungguhnya aku tak mengerti.
Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe CCTV Jambi Palembang.
Dia cintaimu melebihi cintaku padamu. Aku pasti rela untuk melepasmu, walau ku tahu ku kan terluka. Jikalau semua berbeda, kau bukanlah orang yang kupuja, tetapi hatiku telah memilihmu, walau kau tak mungkin tinggalkannya. Kau pergi bila ku berharap, dan kau datang bila kau suka. Terasa diri tercampakkan. Di mana berakhirnya nanti permainan sandiwaramu, kasih sesungguhnya aku tak mengerti.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were
like
a
an
year
addict,
ago.
do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Feels like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer.
I strive just
Sejak aku mengenai dirimu, bermacam godaan yang ku hadapi. Ada kala tersentuh rasa hati, ada kala cemburu melukai. Namun aku mempunyai dengan sabar. Sejak aku jatuh cinta padamu, perasaan aku sering terganggu. Ada kala aku rasa curiga, ada kala semacam tak percaya. Adakah kau setia kepadaku?
Ku takkan peduli siapa yang berani mendekati kamu, akan ku bunuh. Aku hanya lelaki yang sedang cemburu, terbakar asmara mencintai kamu. I'm just a jealous guy.
Apa aduh, cuma selingkuhan kamu. Aku apa aduh, cuma pacar gelapmu. Kenal diri kau lalu jatuh cinta bagai pertama, dan ku cemburu di kau penuh kasih mesra bagai cerita. bagaikan sentuhan 1000 kenangan indah. Biarlah semua berlalu, pergi dan takkan kembali. Kini aku relakan, biar ku tutup luka meski aku tersakiti. Cukup aku yang rasa.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win. I'll take a stab, I wanna chase a bag. I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. Slowing down, I'll give up everything. Daunting all, if I could see my dreams, I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality. Don't let go, don't let go. I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality.
I just wanna find a way out, sick of the venom in my brain. Running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this. I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many once, I just so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started to outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the